The next question is, what does, the actual buying process look like and how long does it take? And again, it sort of depends. But really, if you've ever bought a home before, you know that the process feels like you're inside of a black box. You don't know what is what, and you're kind of trying to figure it out on the way. So from a high level, let's kind of walk through those processes. Again, step one is getting pre-approved. This is your starting line. If you get pre-approved, it knocks out not knowing. Now you're dealing from a perspective of knowledge, and everything flows from what you can actually spend and what you actually have and what you can afford. That's important. You don't want to put yourself in a bad position. And step number two is find your agent. Hopefully that agent is me, but really the agent has to be right for you, right? Because your agent is an advocate for you. A good agent is definitely going to advocate for you throughout the entire process. Your agent is going to negotiate on your behalf. They're the ones who's helping you, guide you on your offers, and they're protecting your interests. So it's important to have a good agent, one that you trust, one that's transparent, one that communicates openly, freely, and most importantly, timely. Yes, I've been on the other side of that equation multiple times. I know what it's like to have a great agent. I know what it's like to have one that's maybe not so great. And after that, start looking. If you're looking in Lodi or you're looking in the surrounding area, inventory can move fast. So when you find something you love, you have to be ready to move. And that's important because there's nothing worse than seeing a home that you really want and it kind of, you miss that opportunity because you're kind of in the let me wait and see. Next, make an offer. This is where the strategy comes in because it's not just about the price. It's about terms, timelines, contingencies. I'll help you put together an offer that's competitive without overextending you. That's my job. That's what I'm here to do for you. Step number 5, well, that's the good part because you're getting close to the finish line, but that's inspections, you open escrow, that's when you close. You're in contract. There's usually a 30 to 45 day in this escrow period. This is where the inspections occur. This is where any repairs or anything are discussed, what needs to be done. We're negotiating on your behalf, making sure you're getting to the home that you want. And, this is where the lender does their prayer. And then you sign, and we're celebrating because you're getting your keys because we made everything work the way you wanted it to work. When that feeling of purchasing your home, it's extraordinary.